work it.
So my first step is to always shave. I like for my face to be smooth and prepped, ready to slay. And why not have a little fun? Drag doesn't have to be so serious. Just saying. Yes, join me now. Okay. Now that I have my brows glued down, I'm using Prolonged Wear Paint Pot. This helps to pop the color out more and to keep everything in place all day and night. Before I apply all that makeup on my face, I love to prep it with Natural Radiance. It helps to take out any redness, give you a soft glow to your skin, and just give you that overall protective layer so that your makeup lasts all day and look much smoother. Brows. I already have Studio Fix NW45 as my liquid base. And now I'm using M.A.C Full Coverage Concealer Studio Fix NC45. Now I'm going to set my foundation with the Studio Fix powder using the same numbers to give it a matte finish. Everything is about blending. Now I'm going in with my favorite blush color, Sketch. Now you're ready to slay. Now all you have to do is throw on a wig of your choice and own the night. Walk with poise. Feel the beauty. Thanks for watching. Now don't be a dick. If this video has helped you out in any way, or if you have any questions or want to learn more about something, feel free to write a comment, like and subscribe, and share the damn video. Thanks.